Hello guys and welcome back to another video tutorial about how to use a coupon code. Today we are going to talk about Hostinger. As you know, Hostinger is a very good hosting platform that allow you to host your website. So as you can see, I'm here on the homepage of the platform. The first thing you have to do is to go to pricing to get a hosting plan. If you scroll down, you will see different plans or different hosting plans they offer. Here you can pick the length of the plan you are going to buy. Let's pick 1 year, for example. I'm going to choose in this video the startup plan. Click on choose plan. It will redirect you to the checkout page where you can use your coupon code. If you see here on the order summary, you will see this option, have a coupon code. Once you click it, you will see this box, or this box will appear. Now here you have to paste your coupon code, and to get a verified and working coupon code, all you have to do is to go to this website. Here, if you scroll down, you will find a list of coupon and offers. Let's pick the first coupon here. It will save you 10% on your web hosting. Click this get code button. Click the coupon. After that, go back to the checkout page and paste your coupon here. After that, click apply. As you can see, this coupon saved you 10% on this startup plan for 1 year. That's all for today. Make sure to make a subscribe and thank you for watching.